was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want?
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video and I'm kind of late, but also hear me out. So last month, the beginning of April to be more specific, Target and Stoney Clover Lane, which is one of my favorite brands at the moment, did a collaboration. And you know, I had to get some things. So unfortunately, when launch day came around, I didn't hop on it like I should have. So my haul is on the smaller side, but also I kind of feel like this was how it was meant to be for me. I know that if I was in the store and I was around every single thing that was released, I would have straight up bought out pretty much everything. In a way, this is kind of better for me just because I know that these items are the items that I really wanted. So with that being said, let's get on into the haul video. So first, we're going to start with my favorite purchase of this entire haul, and that is the tie-dye duffel bag. It is gorgeous. Obviously, you can see it's probably one of the most fitting things for me. If you look at my Instagram and you see, I guess, my overall aesthetic that I've been loving for the past couple years, I've been obsessed with color, and I've been obsessed with pastel tie-dyes and pastel rainbow colors. So this bag was definitely a must-have for me. I'll show you guys the whole thing. It is a little squishy now because it's not filled up with that much right now. And I love the side pockets and the side hidden zipper compartment. It's so perfect for travel, which is obviously what it was intended for. And it has the traditional Stoney Clover Lane gold hardware, which is really amazing that they were able to do that. I really love the little details like the heart gold hardware on the sides. And it did come with an extra long strap, which just makes it a lot easier to carry. And they did not miss a beat. They also added the gold hardware on the strap as well, which is really nice. So obviously, as you can tell, I already added my patches to the duffel. These were stick-on patches. They were not iron-on or sew-on. They just adhered immediately. The regular Stoney Clover patches are usually sewed on, I believe. I might be wrong. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. I do have some regular Stoney Clover Lane items, so when I compared the patches, they were pretty much on par with the regular, more expensive patches. So this is just so amazing for people who are not able to buy customizable Stoney Clover Lane all the time. This was just, so perfect. So of course I added the travel patches on it just because this is going to be my travel duffel bag for my summer trips, which I'm so excited for. I'm going to do an up close of the patches, and I love that they have the gold glitter outlines. I'm a little nervous about traveling with this just because I'm a little bit afraid that the patches will come off when I put this in the overhead on the plane. I'm not sure if they will stay. If anyone has traveled with the patches on their duffels from the Target collab, let me know if you had to do anything special to make sure that they really stayed on and didn't get ruined. So inside it is just a pink satiny color. It's the same color as the handles of the bag. There are no zipper sections, so keep that in mind. But it does have the Stoney Clover Lane Target tag on the inside. It does have a zipper section on the side, as I said, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. I'm going to just move right along to the next item. The next item is the tie-dye flat pouch, and of course it matches the duffel bag. I actually bought this to put in another item that I also bought in the haul, but I love that it matches. I was going to get the stuff lettering, but I just haven't gotten to it yet. And of course, because everything is sold out, if I'm referring to things I'm going to purchase, you can assume that I'm gonna buy from Poshmark or Facebook groups. So this one is the same material as the duffel bag, and this is a pouch that also has a little wristlet attachment that you can take off. And again, it has the gold Stoney Clover Lane hardware with their logo, and then if you turn it around, it has the Target logo. The inside is that same pink color, and it's just one section, as one would expect with this kind of bag. Again, perfect for travel, holding makeup, toiletries, masks, anything really that you can think of, this would be a good item for. So moving on, this one is, I'll tell you the backstory on this item. Let me just zoom out a little bit. I have the Stoney Clover Lane white terry cloth tote bag, and this was actually not one of my first choices to get, but I went to Target when they had items for 50% off, and this was one of the items in clearance. It's a little bit scuffed. I will try to clean it, but it did have a little bit of a dark stain on here. I guess it had fallen on the floor. Someone probably stepped on it. That's what this kind of marking looks like to me. But I was contemplating whether or not I wanted to dye this bag or just clean it and keep it white, because I feel like this is bound to happen anyway with white, because white can get so dirty so easily. But I actually really like it, and I don't own a lot of white accessories, so I'm thinking I'm just going to clean it and keep it. This bag is really, really spacious. I really like that the Stoney Clover Lane logo is embossed rather than it being super, super obvious in your face Stoney Clover Lane logo. I also like the little tie detail here. It's very adorable. And then the back is blank. I feel like if you really wanted to, you could put patches on the back as well, which I may or may not do. We'll see. Then it just has a magnetic clasp with the gold hardware again, and the interior is lined in the same white material that the other bags were lined in. And this one does have a zipper section with the gold hardware. The label's there again. I think I just stuck the actual label in here. So this was originally $25. I got it for $12.50 on sale and clearance. And of course, I was not passing that up. This is really cute. It's a great beach bag, and I think that even if you're gonna run errands in the middle of the summer, this is probably a really cute bag to use. So this is the last bag item I'm going to show you, and that is the clear backpack. I saw this and I didn't know how I felt about it until I saw the way that people were styling them on the Facebook groups. So if I haven't mentioned it already, I belong to some of the Stoney Clover Lane Facebook groups, the regular Stoney Clover Lane group, and then I also belong to the Stoney Clover Lane and Target Facebook group. And I love seeing people style their items. I just love scrolling through it and just getting inspiration for where to put patches and just everything in general. So once I saw people putting certain items inside this bag and seeing how adorable it looked, I had to have it. So as I said before, I got the tie-dye pouch to go in a specific bag, and this is the bag that I got it for. I thought it would be really cute when I travel to have this backpack be my purse, I guess, and to carry the duffel bag and to see the tie-dye pouch inside this bag and have it all match. I'm just envisioning it's gonna look so adorable. This backpack really surprised me. I was not expecting such high quality, but we got extremely high quality. So it is a clear backpack. This is about the same size as the classic Stoney Clover Lane backpacks. I do own one, so I can vouch for that. And I love the pastel color blocking. I'm not a huge yellow girl, but let me tell you, this looks really nice with the mint and with the lilac. It just looks so nice. So it has the adjustable straps on the back, and it also has the thing for a hook. And then it has a front zipper section, which is separate from the rest of the bag. Again, everything is in the gold hardware, and then it has just one big zipper section. It is so spacious. I think that this is just amazing for the summertime. You could use this for the beach as well. I think all of these items are beachy in general, but I'm seeing myself use these pretty much every day, the backpack at least. So this is a backpack I am bringing on my upcoming Disney trip, and I cannot wait to put my ears in here, put my other pouches in here. It's just gonna look so adorable. The next items we have are these tie-dye, what do you call these, like Birkenstock slide style shoes. They are adorable, but unfortunately these are a size too big. These were the only ones that my Target had, and I have not worn them out. They are still brand new. I just did take the tags off. Sometimes, depending on the shoe, usually if it's a tight shoe like a heel, because I do have a wide foot, sometimes 9s work for me, so I was banking on the fact that maybe that would happen. Unfortunately, it still is a little teeny tiny too big. I can still kind of get away with it, but I think I would be more comfortable with a size 8, so I'm probably going to sell these on my Poshmark. I will link my Poshmark shop down below. I do have a lot of things listed currently, so if you want to see my Poshmark, I'll link it down below. I love that this matches the duffel and the other tie-dye items. I'm really in a matchy mood as of recently, so I would definitely wear this with the other items as well. And I love the heart buckles. I think that they're so stinking cute. These are perfect beach shoes. I would still wear these just to run errands and run out of the house really quickly, but for the beach, these would look really adorable. And I know that they also came out with a tie-dye bathing suit. I think that this with the bathing suit would look amazing. So then, moving on to some smaller items, I got some face masks. So I did give a couple to my sister. These, pretty much all the face masks were available still at my Target. I did order one, I don't remember which one it was, but it was totally open when I ordered it. I got it online. It had opened, I guess, while it was being delivered, and when I opened my box, everything was covered in the sheet mask fluid, so it was just really disgusting. And to be honest, these are still a little bit sticky, and I tried wiping them down as best as I could, but what can you do? So I had 2 of the depuffing sheet masks, and I thought that these were very adorable because they are little airplanes, and I thought they'd be cute for my travels. I got the hydrating sheet mask, which has a cute little smiley on it. And then this one is definitely my favorite. It is the rejuvenating sheet mask, and it has the little rainbow on it, which is so cute. Their packaging is spot on. And then the last of the accessories items, I guess you'd call this, I got this Stoney Clover Lane tumbler. I was not expecting these to be as nice quality as they were. It's definitely much cuter in person. So this is the blue and pink variant. I know that there are quite a few of the tumblers, but this is one of my favorite ones. I got this one on Poshmark for about, I want to say it was $18, and I know it was only about, it was only $10 at Target, but when everything sold out, that's what you got to do. And I also really love the straw detail. I don't know if you can tell, but the center part of the straw is a little heart, which is so adorable. And it's just your standard tin tumbler, nothing too spectacular, but I think it is adorable. I am such a mug and tumbler junkie. I have way too many, and I'm excited that I got this one. So I have 3 clothing items that I got from the collection as well, and the first item I got is this little blue dress. I thought it was a bathing suit cover up when I first got it, but I have seen girls wear it as regular dresses, and I think that's how I'm going to be wearing it. I love that you can wear this with the sleeves up and also off the shoulder. I think that that's such a nice versatile touch. So cute. I got a size large, but I honestly think that this is the kind of dress that you can get away with a bigger size or a smaller size. So it has these elastic ruffle details on the neckline, and they're very stretchy. And it also has the same elastic on the sleeves, which is also really stretchy. And I really love this It's like a freshwater pearl button in the shape of a little flower. I thought those were such cute details. And I love that the bottom hem is a little cute ruffle. It's such a cute and easy summery dress. I'm not going to do a try on for this video solely because I'm bringing all of these items with me on my Disney trip. So you will be definitely seeing content of me wearing this on Instagram and on YouTube. So definitely stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget to go onto my blog, which is thenerdyfashiongirl.com, and you will definitely be seeing more of myself wearing all of the items that I have in this video. So then the next item that I got from the collection is this cute little striped tank top, and this did have matching shorts, I believe, but my Target again had a couple items on clearance, and all of my clothing items were on clearance, by the way. I got a size large as well. It's super flowy, but I feel like I could have sized up a little bit just because if you are bigger chested like myself, I feel like that's kind of what you need. It's a little tight over by my underarm area, but I think it's okay. We'll make it work. I love that the shoulders have this tie on the top of it. It's really cute, really trendy. I have some dresses that are like that as well, and I really like that style. And it's just a cute little flowy top. It's not super long, so I either recommend that you wear something high-waisted underneath or just be okay with showing your midriff, because that's kind of where it falls on myself. Although I do have a long torso and short legs, so that could just be my body type. But overall, I think this is cute, and I can't wait to wear it with white pants. So this last item was the white ruffle skirt, and I'm sorry it's on such a little hanger, but this one was so cute. I had to have it. It was also on sale, and it just gives me very Love Shack Fancy vibes, which is a perfect complementary brand for Stoney Clover Lane. So it definitely reminded me of that. I love that it is super stretchy. I love that it's very lightweight, and I also like the little drawstrings that it comes with, and it has these little heart beads on the drawstrings, which is very adorable. It is a little bit short, but I always make sure to wear spandex shorts under my short skirts just so that you don't have an accident. I think it's very adorable. I thought it would go with the mint top, but unfortunately it just doesn't work for me. But all these items I will definitely be wearing very soon, so you guys can see what everything looks like. And those are the clothing items. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Let me know if you liked this video. Let me know if you got anything from the Stoney Clover and Target collaboration, because I feel like so many people who didn't have access to the brand just because it was so expensive finally are able to say that they own Stoney Clover Lane items, which is amazing. And also there was just something so cute and niche about this collaboration that I think so many different people just loved it. Like I said, I'm super happy with everything that I picked up, even the items that I had to go out of my way to get. Despite that, I am still extremely happy with all of my purchases. Don't forget to subscribe to this video if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that you'll be notified of all of my new uploads. As always, all of my social media links will be down below, including my Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, Pinterest, blog, my shop. Everything will be down below. I will definitely do my best to link everything down below. I probably will link my blog post on this so that you can see all the different types of links of where you could possibly get these items. And thank you so much for watching my video. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind, but when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. 'Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me.